Hey guys, it's Old Man Wags here with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers. What we're doing today is debuting our latest detailing kit by Dirt Killer Pressure Washers, featuring a Kranzle 1622. Everything included in this kit is really with the DIY enthusiast in mind, the guy that likes taking care of his things, the guy that likes taking care of his car, washing his car on the weekends, and really just hanging out and maintaining some different things around the property. We tailored this kit more towards really car enthusiasts than anything else because the 1622 is just perfect for that. Focusing on this kit, we of course have our Kranzle 1622. You of course know that does a very versatile spec range. This is great for having around the house. It only runs on 110 volts, 15 amps, which means you can plug it into any outlet as long as there's nothing else running on it, and you shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. Included in this is of course the standard accessories, but in addition to that, we've included a Kranzle OEM foam cannon, which means that you won't overamp the machine, you won't risk damaging anything. It pairs perfectly with the unit, lays a beautiful layer of foam, lays a great sud, and is great for just getting those suds on the car, getting ready to prep it for wash. The next thing we've included is of course a snub nose gun, which is great for any detailer, guy that likes getting into the nitty gritty and really working around tighter areas, as well as flat tip nozzles for quick rinse, so that we don't have to use the OEM accessories for it. The next part of this, we've actually included the UCC. That's an undercarriage cleaner that basically allows you to clean the underbody of your car. Think in the winter time, just getting all the salt off, getting roadkill off if you hit something in different times of the year, or really just generic wash down, part of the car complete package that people don't really think about because you can't always see it. The next part that we focus on is the battery powered spray bottle that we bring in. This is a great tool to have around. It's great for applying tire shine, it's great for applying wheel acid. It's really good for just applying generic degreaser, hitting the wheel wells, doing different things, tighter areas. If you check out this video real quick, it's very easy to see how it actually moves, how it's free in your hand, it follows itself. It's a really good tool to use, especially in the detailing world. The next thing that this package includes is we have Hellbender, Alchemy, and Holy Grail. Each one of these does a specific task in the car care package. Basically, Hellbender, it is great for degreasing underneath the hood. It's great for taking care of tires and wheels. Alchemy, that's a really good follow-up to anything else because what it'll do is pull all the stuff off of the surface. This is what you're gonna use for more of an in-depth detail. You're gonna foam up, you're gonna let that sit for a minute, give it a nice gentle scrub, rinse everything down, your car's gonna look brand new again. And then Holy Grail, of course, for those generic wash and waxes when you just need something quick, in and out, maintenance cleanings. All it's designed to do is sud up, let it sit with that foam cannon, and then rinse it right down, and your car is going to look good as new as long as you're maintaining it. All this is included in the Detailed Dude package. Feel free to check it out on dirtkiller.com. We'd love to hear your feedback in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.